can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is down 5.5% over the last 1 week. It's down 5.9% over the last 1 month. But the big news is that Bitcoin Cash is getting ready for that big pump to the upside. Look at Bitcoin Cash valuation against the US dollar. How high can Bitcoin Cash go if we get that blow off top in the cryptocurrency market? Look at Bitcoin Cash performance against Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash performance against Bitcoin, and we'll look at Bitcoin Cash market cap, which currently sits around $10.3 billion. Can we see Bitcoin market cap set new all-time highs? Can we see Bitcoin Cash market cap even get to as high as $50 billion? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins taking beatings. The last 1 week has seen the recovery in the altcoin tainted by the big dump we have seen today. But Bitcoin Cash is holding on strong. Bitcoin Cash trades around $516. If you look at Bitcoin Cash performance against the US dollar over the years, yes, it has its own rough time, but when the market is bullish, you can count on Bitcoin Cash to join the party. We saw it joining the party in 2017 when the bear market came. It was not excluded from the same party, the dumped Goblin Town party. We saw Bitcoin Cash losing around 98% of its value in 2018. It took around 1 year for that dump to be completed. And in 2021, market participants had a lot of high hopes for Zcash, expected it to pump to new all-time highs, myself included. But what Zcash did in that whole process was just a retracement rally. Zcash rallied up by 1,800%. Market participants were still expecting more. We're still expecting to continue pumping to higher prices. From there, we saw the big bear market of 2022 that caught market participants off guard. 2022 turned out to be a very brutal year. We saw Bitcoin Cash losing around 94% of its value in 2022. The bear market ended in 2022. We started 2023 with a very positive vibe. We're pumping to the moon. We're singing Kumbaya. Bitcoin Cash was trading around the $88 level then. We've seen Bitcoin Cash rally up to as high as $518. It got there in March of 2024, but Bitcoin Cash has failed to go exponentially up to the moon. We saw it rally up to as high as even $700 in March of 2024. It gave back some of those gains, attempted to pump to higher prices. In December of 2024, it could get to as high as $634, gave back some of those gains, and right now we're seeing Zcash either distributing before a dump to Goblin Town or accumulating before one big gigantic pump to the moon. Zcash is up more than 500% from the bottom of the bear market. And you can't see that for a lot of altcoins, but Zcash has been one of those altcoins that have tried its best to pump aggressively. Historically, guys, these altcoins always have a blow off top. Historically, these altcoins always have a period in time where market participants will just FOMO inside. They don't want to miss out. They believe it's going to the moon. We saw a little taste of that way back in January of 2024 when the altcoin market just started pumping. Bitcoin Cash joined the process. And from 29th of January 2024 to around the 13th of March 2024, we saw Zcash rallying up by 200%. That's why we like the altcoin market. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. The mantra is to buy when the prices are low, to sell when the prices are high, to buy when other market participants are scared, and to sell when they get greedy. Volatility is a feature in the altcoin market. It's not a bug. We buy these altcoins because they are very volatile. Yes, they can be volatile to the downside. You can lose a lot of money. But if you buy them low, guys, and you sell them high, you can make life-changing gains. So where are those key levels to watch out for Bitcoin Cash in the coming days and the coming weeks? We need to rally past the $700 level with conviction. Right now, that $700 level is proving to be difficult for Zcash. Since March of 2024, we attempted to rally past $700. We got rejected. If we finally rally past $700, I'm sure we'll see a lot of bears get liquidated. We'll see the bulls coming back to FOMO into the market. The next target will be around $1,500 to $1,600. We saw Zcash getting there. We saw Bitcoin Cash getting there in 2021. When we are pumping to higher prices, Bitcoin Cash got to as high as $1,600. From where we're currently trading right now, Bitcoin Cash will need to pull up a bender. It will need to pull up around 217% for us to get there. And this can happen very, very quickly. Historically, the final pump, when it comes, it catches a lot of market participants off guard. Maximum we'll see the final pump last will be 60 days. If not, it lasts 7 days, 28 days, 30 days. If you are lucky, the pump can last for 60 days. And if Bitcoin Cash continue pumping aggressively, assuming this is one of the greatest pump of our lifetime, let's remember there's still one resistance waiting for us around the $4,000 level for Bitcoin Cash to get to new all-time highs against the US dollar. We have to see a very crazy pump, and that crazy pump will have to take Bitcoin Cash up more than 700% from where it's currently trading. If you look at some key details about Bitcoin Cash, it's currently trading above the $500 level. Fully diluted market cap sitting around $10.8 billion. Bitcoin Cash also has 21 million coins, just like Bitcoin, but 19.96 million of those coins are already in circulation. The all-time high for Bitcoin Cash came in on the 20th of December, 2017. We saw it trading for as high as $4,300. Right now it's down bad. You can only wait for it to get to new all-time highs at some point in the nearest future. If you want to buy some Bitcoin Cash, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin Cash token right there. According to the altcoin season, guys, we're not yet in an altcoin season. Right now, fear is gripping the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared to the gills. There's extreme fear right now. We spend majority of November soaked in extreme fear. Right now, any dump within the cryptocurrency market participants are shaky, are jittery. They are expecting a big dump to gobble in town. They are expecting a big bear market. But I believe, guys, the market cycle doesn't end when we're in extreme fear. It ends when there's greed in the market. It ends when market participants are trying to FOMO at higher prices. Right now, this extreme fear, historically, that's always been a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. I still think this is a good time to buy a lot of these altcoins, because in the coming days and coming weeks, guys, we can easily see that blow off top. A lot of market participants, they have made sweet gains trading Bitcoin, trading Ethereum over the course of this bull market. Don't be shocked to see them flipping their Bitcoin gains, their Ethereum gains into the altcoin market, and some of those gains might end up in Bitcoin Cash. Since the 12th of June 2023, we've seen Bitcoin Cash outperforming Ethereum. Since then, we've seen Bitcoin Cash go up by more than 225% against Ethereum. I was expecting to have one more move to the upside. How high will that move go? A 200, 300, even as high as a 400% move to the upside for Bitcoin Cash against Ethereum will not be out of questions. A lot of these altcoins go parabolic. They suck in retail investors at the final pump. A lot of retail investors right now have given up on a lot of altcoins because they have been waiting for altcoin season over the last 3 years. When will my favorite altcoin pump? I've been waiting, boss, I'm tired. Can this coin just go to the moon? Let me sell the top. But guys, the market will test your patience to the extreme, and at the exact time you give up, you'll be shocked that that's exactly when the market will start pumping. That's exactly when that token will start pumping. So watch out for Bitcoin Cash outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming Ethereum. Historically, the altcoin market is where the main party happens in that final rally. I'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump, so I'll be expecting a lot of flows from Bitcoin to head to the altcoin market, while these altcoins are going parabolic. If you look at Bitcoin Cash market cap, which is around the $10 billion level. Yes, we will continue going high, but we have to proceed with caution. Bitcoin's cash market cap has gone higher than that before in the past. In 2021, we saw the market cap get to $30 billion. In 2017, we saw Bitcoin Cash market cap exceed $30 billion. We saw the market cap get to as high as $71 billion. Right now, Bitcoin Cash market cap sits around the $10 billion level. We have seen it roaming around this 10, 11, $12 billion region since July of 2025. Hopefully, this is not distribution that's leading us down to Goblin Town. Hopefully, this is an accumulation for the last big pump to the upside. That last big pump to the upside has two major targets. The first target is going to be the $30 billion level. The second target for Bitcoin Cash is going to be the $71 billion region. And I believe Bitcoin Cash can pull up this move. That's just a 600% move. It can happen in 7 days. It can happen in 30 days. But only those market participants that can buy when there's fear. Only those market participants can buy when other market participants are scared will enjoy the benefit. Extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. We're not yet in an altcoin season. That's always a good time to buy. If you look at the altcoin season index, it tells us if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is altcoin season. Bitcoin is down 22%. I expect to see a lot of altcoins, even Bitcoin Cash, outperforming Bitcoin over the next 30 days. So guys, drop it to us in the comment section. Bitcoin Cash getting ready for that final pump to the upside, getting ready for that end of cycle pump. Are you buying some Bitcoin Cash right now? Have you given up on Bitcoin Cash? Are you tired, or are you waiting for that big blow off top? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.